guys, so it's Usernamekate here and welcome back to my channel. So thank you guys who've already watched the riding vlog on the Super Soco CPx. I thought what I'd do is just a little supplementary vlog just before this thing goes back. So I'm not going to be riding it now, I'm just going to be talking around it and a few things that I didn't quite pick up on the vlog. So just before I crack on with this vlog, I just want to say thank you so much to you guys that have recently subscribed. Howdy, welcome to the madhouse. Yeah, without further ado, let's crack on. Okay, so before we actually go into this video, I just want to say a few words about my last vlog that I did on the Super Soco CPx. Now, as you guys saw, when I did my whole fake surprise thing that I'd ran out of battery when I actually hadn't, what I did was I connected the second battery to get the power. When I set off, I didn't get full power and I was really confused. Now, that was not this little thing's fault at all. This was my fault. So what I did was, when I was reversing the bike backwards using the reverse gear, what I didn't realise was that the bike actually has an F gear, which is like forward gear. So it's not 1, 2 or 3 or reverse, it is its own thing called F, and it's used for slow manoeuvring so that you can, you know, go forward slowly, it's not gonna whack you. And I had it in F. So when I set off with my second battery attached and I got nothing, it was because I was in F mode. What an idiot. If I hadn't have been in F mode and I put it in mode 3 like I should have, I would have just scooted straight up the hill, no problem. And also, another thing, if you ride with 2 batteries connected, when the first battery gets down to 20%, the second battery actually takes over. So you don't have that period in time where the scooter won't actually go, you know, much over 20 miles an hour. It takes over so that you've got that problem-free, safe speed riding. So yeah, I just thought I'd clear that up because I didn't know that. Lesson learned. When I say takes over, I mean it tops it up basically. You're still using that 20%, but it's got the helping hand from the other battery. So one of the things I didn't get to show you guys was how it charges. So it uses one of these. And you've got your generic 3-pin plug. And then you've got your little plug that plugs in like this. Warranty, let's touch on that. So the Super Soco CPx, it's got a 2 years manufacturer's warranty for the replacement or the repair of any of the parts on this thing. So, you know, for example, bodywork or hub, motor, anything like that, it's got a 2-year warranty. Except when it comes to the battery. The battery has a 3 years warranty, or it's covered up to 50,000 kilometres, whichever comes first, just so you know. I mentioned it in the video. If you guys didn't hear it, if you want to source one of these batteries in isolation, you're looking at £1,800, so I definitely recommend getting the bike with 2 batteries from the offset. That way you don't have to shell out £800 more than you would pay if you just got the double battery version from the off. Ooh, something else, height of it. Right, let's pan out. I'll sit on it and I'll show you what I meant about having to be quite perched, and then when you ride you scoot back. So hang tight. Hopefully that just gave you an indication of how light the thing is. It's 107 kilograms, so it doesn't weigh much at all. It's easy to get on the centre stand. When you're short like me, you just kind of got to dry hump it to get it off the centre stand. A little bit weird. Or you could just do it whilst off the scooter, which is probably what normal people will do. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please feel free to subscribe, like, comment, dislike, share, whatever. It all helps, and I'm always grateful when you do that. So yeah, until next time guys, ride safe, take care, auf Wiedersehen. Hopefully that just gave you an indication how... I'll teeth back in. This is for thinking. These are for dancing. So another thing that I forgot to mention, I inquired about the warranty on this. Oh, sugar butty, so I just nearly lost my stand.